Hi dear friends, welcome to the 15th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. First one, deductions allowable under the head income from other sources include A. Current repair expenses on assets, B. Insurance premium paid on assets, C. Depreciation on assets, D. All of these. Option D, all of these. Second one, what will be the taxable income if winnings from lotteries received is rupees 7,000 and the lottery ticket expense is rupees 20? Option A, rupees 7,000, B 6,980, C rupees 10,000 and D rupees 9,980. Option A, rupees 7,000. Third one, Mr. Y received rupees 10,000 as interest on post office savings bank account. The taxable interest income shall be A rupees 10,000, B rupees 6,500, C rupees 3,500 and D nil. Option B, rupees 6,500. Fourth one, the income is always grossed up in the case of interest on A. Tax-free government securities, B. Less tax government securities, C. Tax-free non-government securities and D. All of these. Option C. Tax-free non-government securities. Fifth one, which of the following income is exempt from tax? A. Agricultural income in Kolkata, B. Interest on government securities, C. Income from converted property and D. All of these. Option A. Agricultural income in Kolkata. Sixth one, daily allowance received by a member of parliament is A. Income from salary, B. Income from profession, C. Income from other sources and D. Exempted. Option D. Exempted. Seventh one, maximum exemption limit of interest on post office savings bank account is A. Rupees 2,500, B. Rupees 3,500, C. Rupees 5,000 and D. Rupees 10,000. Option B, rupees 3,500. Eighth one, income from subletting of house property is A. Income from house property, B. Income from other sources, C. Clubbed with income of owner, D. Exempted from tax. Option B, income from other sources. Ninth one, long-term capital gain under section 112A is A. Fully exempted, B. Exempted up to rupees 1 lakh, C. Taxable at 20%, D. Taxable at 15%. Option B, exempted up to rupees 1 lakh. 10th one, remuneration received by a lawyer for examination work is taken as A. Income from salaries, B. Income from profession, C. Income from other sources and D. Exempted from tax. Option C, income from other sources. Thank you for watching this video.